Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Oberlo to Shopify for automated product sourcing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Oberlo to Shopify for automated product sourcing, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you are on the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Visit the Shopify App Store button. In the App Store, type Oberlo into the search bar at the top. Select Oberlo from the search results. On the Oberlo app page, click the Add App button. When prompted, confirm that you want to install Oberlo by clicking the Install App button. You will be redirected back to your Shopify store with Oberlo now added as an app. Next, click on the Oberlo app in your Shopify dashboard to open it. Create an Oberlo account by signing up with your email address. Once signed in, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Oberlo profile. To start importing products, click on the Find Products tab within the Oberlo dashboard. Use the search bar to find products that you want to sell. When you find a product, click the Import to Store button next to it. Review the product details in the Oberlo dashboard. Make any necessary edits, such as adjusting the product title, description, or, after you are satisfied with the product details, click the Import button. Go back to your Shopify store to manage your imported products. Here, you can organize your products into collections and customize your storefront. Now, you are ready to start promoting your products and making sales. Remember to regularly check Oberlo for updates and new products. This will help you keep your inventory fresh and appealing to your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.